What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having the best day ever. But today, we're gonna be building a helicopter. I've never built one before. I've only built mechs, but let's try. Let's just attempt. Alright, so I think I'm gonna make the base. The base should be like go back quick, yeah. Wait. I think I should turn them the other way. So let's try to press it. I'm gonna make it so it's holding by something else, though. I'm not gonna make it hold by that. So you know those like little things that are on the sides? I'm gonna try to make those with something. Oh, these kind of look like them. You guys know what I'm talking about. The little things on the edge. Like that. Alright. Oh. Now we have that. Got the lights in the front. Wait, hold up. First, I thought this looked cool. When I was looking at the stuff, I thought this would be cool to add, like the front. Let's see if I can like phase it. Yeah, I can. Boom. That looks pretty good. Kind of looks like a car right now, but it's at the fans. See, I've seen a bunch of people, they put fans inside of fans. I don't know how to do that. Trust me, I've tried with my mechs before. I cannot put fans inside of fans for some reason. So I'll just put 4. Just on top of each other. 4 should be a good amount. If it's not, I'll add more later on. Just for now, let's see how it flies. Ah, this looks pretty good. And you can't even see it opening. Like, barely even see it. Alright. So helicopter, I wouldn't. Should I make a helicopter? Oh, I'm gonna remake a helicopter. I mean, yeah, a helicopter because it has that little thing. Alright, so helicopters usually they don't always, but usually up here they would have like a, you guys know what I'm talking about, little propeller. Should I move it to the middle? Not, but I kind of like, I'm gonna build walls. No, I'm gonna build walls to make it easier. Alright, one right there. One right there. Let's use these walls. Guys, I think I'm pretty good at building a helicopter. Boom. These could be like, oh crap. surprised I'm not on cooldown yet. Hold on. Oh, I should have just done this. It's gonna be way easier if I just... Boom, that looks like it. Boom. Looks like a little like kindergarten. Put too much like he tried to fit stuff. I mean, but he tried to like it was like too much glue. You go. That looks like someone tried to use glue, but it didn't stick. So then they just kept on putting more and more and more. Put the tablet for like. Cool. There. Alright, let's just take this off. Yep, I learned from last video, guys. What is it? I guess it's just glitched. Trying to like phase it so let's see how it flows. Right, it flows good. I'll use some ones. I'll use this. Flip it over. Oh, wrong thing, bro. Oh my god. Put it in a group. Alright, let's just take a picture. I want to take a picture of this beauty. Alright, I'll put like a plane back on the sky. Alright. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Whatever time it is, have a good night, have a good morning, good evening. Love you guys. And just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, or comment.